Today we have to learn the new parameters to detect kidney function test. Here there are several biochemical parameters to study the kidney function test. Like I have listed out certain parameters. You can see on the screen the glomerular filtration rate, in short it is called as GFR rate, serum blood urea nitrogen, serum creatinine, blood urea nitrogen, serum creatinine, serum total proteins, serum albumins, serum globulin, serum albumin creatinine ratio, and urinalysis. Urinalysis that comprise of the physical examination of urine plus pathological constituents of urine, that is called as abnormal constituents. Abnormal constituents of urine that may have the sugar, that is glucose, that may have the proteins, that may have the ketone bodies, that may have the bile salt, bile pigment, etc. So these are the certain biochemical parameters to study the kidney function test of the animal. Now let us see the most important biomarker for the kidney function test is creatinine, serum creatinine estimation. The serum creatinine estimation is done with the picric acid test. So before going to the actual principle for the estimation of serum creatinine, so creatinine, let us see about the creatinine. Generally it is a breakdown product of creatine phosphate from muscle and protein metabolism. So this product, these metabolites, serum creatinine, it is the end product of protein metabolism. It is released at a constant rate by the animal body depending upon muscle mass. Serum creatinine is the most commonly used biochemical indicator of the renal function. So as we are estimating the serum creatinine with the help of alkaline picric acid test, so let us see the principle. Picric acids in alkaline medium reacts with creatinine in the serum that form orange colored complex. The intensity of color developed is directly proportional to the concentration of creatinine present in the serum sample, and this concentration is measured at 520 nanometer wavelength of spectrophotometer. So we have the good instrument at Department of Veterinary Biochemistry, Mumbai Veterinary College, Mumbai, to estimate the concentration of different metabolites. So this is the important instrument that is called as ultraviolet link spectrophotometer. Now let us see the reagents required, material required. First of all, for the estimation of the serum creatinine, test tube stands are required. Test tube stand, pipettes, micropipettes, macro tips are required. 0.04 normal picric acid reagents is required. This is the picric acid reagent. Creatinine in working standard solution is required. Creatinine working standard solution is required. 0.75 normal sodium hydroxide is required. Serum sample, double distilled water, spectrophotometer, and incubator is also required. After this, we have to see the proper procedure for estimation of serum creatinine in the laboratory. This test is very simple. We have to just prepare the reagents in different concentration, like we have to prepare 0.0 normal picric acids, we have to prepare 0.75 normal sodium hydroxides, and 2% creatinine working standard we have to prepare. Otherwise, serum sample we have to collect from any animals, double distilled water, it is very easily available. So we can perform this test to know the proper functioning of kidney of the animal. So let us see the procedure. First of all, take 3 clean dry sterilized test tube. This test tube labeled as test standard and blank with the help of marker. Add 1 ml of picric acid solution into all the test tube. Then add 0.01 ml of serum sample into the test tube. Then add creatinine working standard into the standard 0.01 ml. Add double distilled water 0.01 ml into the blank test tube, and then add sodium hydroxide 1 ml into all the test tubes. Mix well all the test tube. Then incubate all the test tube at room temperature, that is at 37 degrees Celsius temperature for 15 minutes. And after that, read the optical density or absorbance of test and standard against blank at 520 nanometer wavelength of spectrophotometer. After reading the optical density of test and standard, you will get the optical density of test and standard. Note down that reading and put into the calculation formula. Calculation formula is like this: serum creatinine concentration in milligram per deciliter is equal to absorbance of test divided by absorbance of standard multiply with concentration of creatinine working standard. As it is the working standard, so its concentration strength is known to us. Its concentration is 2 milligram per deciliter. So whatever we get, the optical density or absorbance of test and absorbance of standard multiply with 2.0. This result of serum creatinine in milligram per deciliter compare with the normal range or referred value. So normal range in case of canine ranges from 0.5 to 1.6 milligram per deciliter. In case of felines or cat, it ranges from 0.6 to 2 milligram per deciliter. In case of cattle, the concentration of serum creatinine ranges from 0.4 to 1.9 milligram per deciliter. In case of sheep, the concentration of serum creatinine ranges from 0.48 to 1.9 milligram per deciliter. In case of goat, 0.5 to 1.98 milligram per deciliter. So whatever we get, the optical density of test and standard, put into the formula, calculate it. This calculated value we have to compare with the normal range and draw our interpretation or conclusion. In conclusion or in clinical significance, here it is very clear that creatinine level or its concentration increases due to the renal dysfunction, or otherwise we can say that the serum concentration of creatinine is increased in renal dysfunction, maybe chronic renal disease, acute renal failure or disease, glomerulonephritis, pyelonephritis, blocked urethra, cystitis, ruptured bladder. In this condition, serum creatinine level is increased beyond 1.9 milligram per deciliter. The decreased concentration, serum creatinine concentration decrease in animals with a high muscle mass have high normal creatinine concentration, whereas animals with a low muscle mass have low normal creatinine concentration. So this is all about the clinical significance of serum creatinine. Question is always arise in examination for about performance as well as writing the principle, material required, procedure, observation, calculation, normal range and clinical significance for estimation of serum creatinine. So I wish you all the best and thank you so much for listening this video.